Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it has made a low of around $2.490. This is the level, okay, and a swing is forming at this particular level. After that there is a continuous upside, okay. And if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen that the range was above this particular level, okay. So you can say that this level we have not seen since 4-5 weeks, okay. So probability can be high that if it goes below a level of around $2.48, chances are high that it can move further low, because this is a 15-minute chart. As you can see clearly that we have not seen in this level since this previous months also, okay. And if you go on a 2 hours chart, you will clearly see that this is the period where in the month of 15 June where there are sharp rise we have seen, okay. So till the time it is sustaining a level of $2.48, and once it break this level it will come in this zone, okay. And now if you look weekly chart, there is a not so much of volatility as compared to what we have seen in the month of Jan in the first 2 weeks, as well as in 2020, that there is so much of volatility. But in 2023 we have seen the price is moving in a zone of around $3 and $2. This is a weekly chart I am showing you. But if you go on a day wise chart, then you will see clearly that there is a continuous downfall, okay, after making half around $2.9. And this is a 3 level dollar. We have seen that once the price move above this particular level, that is where we can see it can go further upside, or if it move below a level of around $2.2, that is where we can see it can move further low. Otherwise there will not be any we can say there a lot that once it move below this level, then only we can see it can go further down. Otherwise probability will be high that if it moves above a level of $2.9, we can see it can go further upside. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that to see this. There is a doji candle forming, okay. So chances are very high, and it is trying to form green candle. As you can see looking at this particular chart, sustain it can move towards a level of around $2.6, and if the price move above that particular level, it can go towards a level of 2.653, okay. And if the price move above that particular level, it can go towards a level of 2.7, okay. And once the price move above a level of $2.7, chances are very high it can cross a level of around $2.8. That is half this particular zone, okay. And so you have to keep it in mind, once started sustaining out $2.8, yes, it can cross a level of around 2.9 and can touch a level of around $3.054, okay. So once started moving upside, yes, you can say it can go further high, and a probability of going towards 3.3 is there, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around $3.5, okay. Now once the price sustain above 3.5, yes, there are high chances that it can go towards a level of 3.7, and from there we can see it can go further upside. Keep that in mind that once started sustaining above $3, that is where only we can see it can go further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move towards its low for the particular previous day, okay, a level of $2.48. And once it move below that level, we can see it can go towards its next support of around 2.42, okay. Understand something, that when there will be a zone breakout, probability of going further downside we can see if the breakout happens downside, okay. And once it move below a level of $2.3, chances of going towards $2.254 is there, and then you can see that there is a high chances that it can go towards a level of 2.64, because all these resistance and supports, if it moves above a level of 2.8 and if it moves below a level of 2.2 or being tested here, so chances are very high that it can go further down, and a probability of touching 2.064 is there. And then once it move below this level, it will come in this zone. So we can see a level of $1.984 to a level of 1.824, and then further if the price didn't sustain. Now understand why most of the traders lose money, because they do not set SL. Most of the traders, or they do not understand price action, they do not trail their SL, okay, so that their capital can be saved, okay, as well as what profit they are making. I teach how to overcome all these things in my workshop. If you want to attend my workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.